Well, I wonder if a car can still come out of this. This one ended up something like this. This is what it looks like. Look, a pretty good seat. Impeccable and beautifully crafted headlight bezels, a convenient folding back seat, another good, actually pretty good and comfortable seat, and an excellent, well-designed dashboard. A rear view mirror in very good condition, a shelf for putting things, hooks for attaching the tarp. It also has a window so the wind doesn't hit you from the front. Back door, the new model, now with a rear window for improved rear view. Shortened rear axle for a smaller wheelbase. The driver's door. Impeccable handle. The lock leaves something to be desired. The windows are great. The windshield, maybe a little bit of putty, fiberglass, I'm not sure. Plywood would help. The seat has a cover so you won't get your white pants dirty. A satellite system already installed, put on the car. The front axle works by levitation. The front doesn't need an axle. The shock absorber is placed like this to avoid shocks from the front. The engine part is already prepared. The engine part is already prepared for an electric conversion, to an electric car. That's the trend now with these. To me, this seems like a car with potential. This one too. Yes, this one too. We're taking it for a ride. We're taking it for a ride. Let's see what becomes of it. Something like that.